Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how to use Notion for trading journal. So just go ahead and then open your Notion and then type out your login information. And here at the right side, you can see the untitled or the new page. You just have to click on that one and then you just have to click on or select the table option since we're going to make a trading journal. And after that, just click on the new database. And right here, you just have to click on it to add a title. So just add a title, trading journal for this one. And after that, you can also add a cover for this journal. So just click on it. You can change a free cover or you can also upload your file. Now, right here, you can also add a description for this journal. So here is the description and you can also add an icon. So after that, we just have to proceed to our first column. So here we are going to use this one to put a number. So let's go ahead and change this to number one. So it means this is our first trading and you can add your second trading as well as your third trading. So here at the second column, we can change these tags to dates. So let's rename this to date. Okay, so you just have to delete this tags word and change to date. Now you just have to go ahead and click on edit property. So here we have to click on the type. So the type of this is date. So you just have to click on it. And as you can see, we have now the date. So let's proceed to our third column. So here we are going to click on the plus button and then click on the select icon. So here it is at the bottom. Okay, so click on this one. And then we just have to change the title for this one. So let's name this to day of the week. So there you can put Monday to Friday. Okay, so just click on the add option after typing out your title. Okay, now that you have your title, just click on the add an option. So first we have the Monday and then Tuesday. After that, just type out Wednesday and then Thursday and Friday. So we don't have a trading for Saturday and Sunday, so we just have to put Monday to Friday in here. So when you click on the box under the day of the week, you'd be able to see the options. So we are going to put or select the Monday for our first trading. It is now for the fourth column, we have to click on the select and we have to rename this to pair. Okay, so just type out pair and just have to click on the add an option. So here let's type out Euro USD. Okay, and just have to click on the enter button to save your options. Okay, so after that, just have to click on enter and be able to see your option right here. Now for our fifth column, we just have to click on the plus icon again and we are going to use the select and then rename this to direction, and this type would be select as well. It would have the two options, the long and short. Just have to click on the options and then type out long and short. So when you click on this box right here, you'd be able to select your option. So just select short for this one. And then for your sixth column, we are going to select the checkbox and its value will be win. And let's select the value. So we have won our first trade on Monday. So after that, we would have the session. So here, just click on this box. And then for our seventh column, let's go ahead and then select the select option for we are going to create a session. So just click on it and then type out session right here. And we have three options. So let's type out New York, Asia or London. So maybe we'll have the three options for now. So just have to type it out and then click on enter. Now, when you go to the box under the session, you'll be able to select the option. So let's go ahead and select New York for this one. Now let's go to our next column, and right here we are going to select the number. So here, let's just write down the entry time, and here you can simply put the entry time. So for example, it is 3:14. So let's just go to this box right here and then type out the number. Okay, so let's type out 3.14, I guess. And after that, let's go to the next column, and then we are going to select the number again. And let's go ahead and title this one as duration. Okay, so this one, and then right here, just have to type out the duration of your trading. So, for example, 40 minutes, just have to click on it and then type out the number of the duration. Okay, and then after that, let's go to our next column. So, you just have to do the same, just have to click on the plus icon. So this column is the RR. So the type of the RR is the number. So just click on the number and then rename this one as RR. So here you can put the value of the RR. And next, we are going to put the potential RR. So just select the number. And here you can change this one. So type out potential RR. Okay, so here you can type out the potential error. And then next is the news. So we just click on the plus icon again. And here we have to click on the multi-select. And we have to change this one right here and then type out news. So after typing out the news, we can add the options, whether it can be CBI and it can also be the FC. And so let's label the values here. So it will be both of the values FC and CPI. That is why we have to use the multi-select data type of the news column. So after the news, we have the narrative. So this would be the text. So the idea of narrative here simply means that why you have take the trade. So what were the reasons behind the trade? So here you can simply write down the reasons behind the trade in the narrative. Now after that, I would like to have the emotions. That is where the emotions that you had when you were doing the trade. Okay, so it would be the text again. And let's just write down emotions here. So the emotions, you can simply write down how were you feeling when you were doing that particular thread. Okay, and in the last, I would like to have the learnings. So from that particular trade, what were the learnings that you have learned from that particular trade? Okay, so let's select the text again, and this would be you learn what you learned today. So here you can simply write down the things that you learned from that particular trade. So this is how you can create trading journal. So in general, it would be really helpful to monitor the trading that you will be doing in the future because you cannot track the record of the trading without putting it on any platform. That is why you can simply use the Notion as a trading. So in general, it would really help you to understand the profit and the losses that you have done and the things that you have learned on each trading. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.